So now we will see input type week in HTML form. So guys, basically the input tag along with the type week allows the user to select a week and a year. So basically the user will be provided with the input field where he or she can select the week of the entire year and that particular year as well. Now depending on the browser support, a date picker can show up in the input field. So it is very important for you as a developer to check your input field on the different browsers whether it is supported by the various versions of the browsers. So let us check this with the help of example in VS Code over here. So previously we had seen the various input field types, that is telephone and the time and the URL as well. Now we will have another input field. So over here we will say input followed by colon, and this time we will have the week type over here so that the user is able to select one of the weeks of the year. So the type is week in this case, and let's say we provide the name as week over here, and the same value we will provide it as the ID attribute in this case. Now before this input tag we will also have the label so that the user comes to know that a week is supposed to be selected from his or her side. So over here we will provide the value for the for attribute as week in this case, and then followed by select a week and then colon. So guys, basically we have a label and then followed by the input tag over here of the type week in this case, and then we will have BR tags over here, that is line breaks, so that the submit button is displayed on the next line. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, select a week label is being displayed and then followed by the input field where the user is expected to select one of the weeks. So when we click on this calendar icon over here, as you can see, a calendar is being displayed and user can select the entire week from a particular year. So let's say we want to select the next week in this case. So we can click on any of the dates over here. So let's say we select this. So it says week 51 of the year 2023. And then when we click on submit, over here as you can see, the week name is being displayed as the parameter inside the URL, followed by the year, that is 2023, and then followed by week 51 over here, which you can further process based on your requirements. So guys, in this way user can easily select the required week based on the data that the user wants to select. Over here we can select any of the past weeks as well and click on submit, and then accordingly the week will be passed to the server for further processing. We can also select one of the future weeks over here. So let's say we go to the year 2027 in this case, and then let's say we have the month of December over here, and we select the first week of December over here, and week 48 2027 is the year. When we click on submit, 2027 week 48 is being displayed in the URL. So guys, in this way you can simply have the input field and allow the user to have one of the weeks for a particular year. Comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is input attribute value inside the input field. So stay tuned.